In grade 12, the new work that we do for analytical geometry is all based around circles. And now you're probably thinking, but I've already done this. You've done it in Euclidean geometry. And this is now again where all the worlds are colliding and you are coming to the end of your road where all of this work you have put in is starting to meet. Okay, so anyway, this formula should be looking familiar. Not 100%. There's something that almost looks like this that is on your formula sheet. And this is one of the formulas that we have for a circle, specifically if it is centered at 0, 0, so at the origin. In the next video, we'll look at if it's not centered at the origin, which is then the formula that's on your formula sheet. And there's a relationship between this and distance, okay? Because a radius, that's what R stands for. A radius is a distance. And that's just when you square this and you get rid of the square root, then you get that formula. Okay, so let's start here with this first one. Here, we have a very beautiful circle that is there centered at the origin at the point 0, 0. And they are telling us the radius is 3. So then all that you are going to do is you're going to say x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared. In other words, your answer is x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. Okay, I know this seems simple. It doesn't always stay simple. In fact, it's just for this video. Next video is where the real things start to happen. So here, we still have a question centered at the origin, but it's passing through that way. They're not giving you the radius, and you need the radius. X and y will stay variables because, you know, when you substitute an x, you should be able to get a y and vice versa. On the graph, you'll know it's a graph but not a function. Anyway, so r squared, you need r to get the r squared portion. So you first have to go find the distance. You have to go find the radius. Okay, so we know this is what our distance formula looks like, but you're looking for r squared. So I would straight away just go to this format and you can substitute your points. So I would put 0, 0 second, just because that makes the calculations easier, and -3, 4, and then you just get your answer. So therefore, our answer will be x squared plus y squared is equal to 25.